App Backup is a practical application for Android that allows users to create backups of their installed apps and associated data. This app is particularly useful for individuals who want to safeguard their applications and settings, ensuring that they can restore them easily in case of device changes or data loss. With App Backup, users can effortlessly back up their apps to external storage or cloud services, providing an extra layer of security for their important applications. The app typically offers batch backup options, allowing users to select multiple apps to back up at once, saving time and effort. Additionally, App Backup often features options for restoring apps quickly, allowing users to reinstall their favorite applications without having to go through the entire download process again. This functionality is especially beneficial when switching to a new device or after a factory reset. Overall, App Backup is an excellent tool for anyone looking to protect their apps and maintain a seamless user experience across their Android devices.